You walk into a room full of strangers. Something pulls you toward one person. You can't explain it, but your nose might already know. This is the strange science of smell and attraction, and how your body might smell a perfect match before your brain even notices. Let's start with something you probably ignore: body odor. We think of it as something to wash away, to cover up with sprays. But hidden in your natural scent is a secret report card. A report card about your immune system. Your immune system is your body's army. It fights off invaders. To win, it needs to recognize threats, friend or foe. That job belongs to a special set of genes called the MHC. MHC genes help your cells tell what belongs in your body and what doesn't. The more variety in these genes, the more threats you can spot. Think of MHC like a giant key ring against disease. More keys, more locks you can open, more protection. So a child with varied MHC genes has a stronger defense. Here's the twist. Where do those varied genes come from? From two parents whose genes are different from each other. If two people have very similar MHC, their child gets fewer keys. If they're very different, their child wins a richer set. So nature has a problem to solve. How do you find a different partner? You can't see someone's genes. You can't ask their DNA on a date. But maybe you can smell them, because your MHC genes leak into your scent. The same molecules that help your immune system also color your odor. Your scent becomes a fingerprint of your genes. And to test this, scientists ran one of the strangest experiments ever. It's now famous. They call it the sweaty t-shirt study. First, they took a group of men and tested their MHC genes. Then each man wore the same plain t-shirt for 2 nights. No perfume, no scented soap, no smoking, just their pure scent. Each worn shirt went into its own sealed box. Then came the women. They had no idea who wore what. One by one, they sniffed each box and rated each smell: pleasant, sexy, or just gross. The scientists matched those ratings to the men's genes, and a clear pattern jumped out. Women preferred the scent of men whose MHC was different from their own. The more different the genes, the more attractive the smell. And shirts from men with similar genes, often rated unpleasant. Without seeing a face, their noses sorted strangers by DNA. Why would evolution build a system like this? Because mixing different immune genes is great for survival. It also helps avoid breeding too close to family. Relatives share genes, and they often share a similar smell. So a built-in scent compass quietly steers us away from kin and toward partners who balance our weaknesses. It's like your body is searching for a missing puzzle piece. But here's where it gets stranger and a little controversial. In a later version of the study, some women took birth control pills, and their scent preferences appeared to flip. On the pill, some preferred scents from genetically similar men. The pill tricks the body into a state similar to pregnancy, and during pregnancy, the brain may seek family scents for safety. It's a comfort instinct. Stay near kin who'll help protect a baby. Now imagine a woman chooses a partner while on the pill, then later stops taking it. Her scent preferences may shift again. Some researchers wondered if a partner could suddenly smell different. It's a fascinating idea, but be careful here, because the science is messier than the headlines suggest. Later studies tried to repeat the famous t-shirt experiment. Some found the effect, others found nothing at all. Humans are complicated. Culture, soap, and choice all play a role. Smell is one whisper among many, not a command. Still, the core idea keeps showing up across the animal world. Mice sniff out mates with different immune genes. So do fish. Even some birds use scent to choose. The pattern is ancient. So when you feel a spark, a tiny part of it may be chemistry. Real chemistry, molecules drifting from skin into your nose, reaching a quiet part of your brain that judges before you think. You don't decide it, you just feel drawn in. So next time someone just smells right to you, pause. That feeling might be millions of years of biology saying hello. Of course, love is far more than a smell, but the smell is a start. If you enjoyed this, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. It really helps. See you in the next one.